That daw i-open.
2 weeks daw yung notarize. Permahan muna natin ngayon.
Another one.
Notarize.
Mommy, there's more. I have this.
Ay, there's 2 wrappers. What's that?
Road stock.
Show mo sa camera. Dito din. Yeah.
Road stock. Where's the zipper? Over here.
Ito yung
Again, there's more. Wow, I found it.
names, lot size, ano ba?
Wow! Mommy, what do you think? I don't know.
Ha? Pare. Hindi yung nakalagay
What
last time.
character do you like? You don't know it.
Maybe this one with a police hat.
I don't know. You guys it. I can open this paper. It's the
Block
ano.
7 extension.
Mommy, I found it. It's LOL. So guys. Mommy, look who's LOL though.
This one, Miss Pam.
I don't know. There's issues. Who gas is whose shoes is what?
Yan, boots. Show mo yung boots mo.
It's pink and black and gray. I think
Not any
this.
perimeter fence.
I found that dress. Who is that name? I found that name.
Hanggang maximum lang.
Mommy, I found
2
this.
meters.
Mommy, I
Depende sa
found
development.
this. Mommy, may nakita ako siya. Oh.
Ah, this one. I think it's this one.
Yes. What is that character?
It's a cowgirl.
Maybe. Guys, the comments. What is that cute accessories?
Isang copy lang, pepermahan.
This is what.
Sa side lang, no? Ikaw muna.
Mommy, I found his.
Yeah, like mine. Ay, Alan muna. Ako, ikaw. Ah, pero dapat may
I
space
don't
dito kay
know.
ano.
Because
Seller. Amo dit.
I got here.
Allen.
What inside? What's inside?
Sino bang naunang pangalan? Allen. Ah.
There's his cell
Show mo.
I found a phone, Mommy. There's no more accessories. There's no accessories. I don't see. What is this? His headband.
Her. She's a girl.
His
Her. Her.
headband.
Her. Her. Her.
She.
Her.
She.
Yung dito din si dito.
She's headband.
Ah, lahat ng pages baliban dun sa may pangalan tayo.
Naka-open na yan.
As inside. Wala na?
Nanda.
What?
There's big. Oh.
Ikaw naman.
See? It's
Wait lang, wakan mo ting.
there's
Dito. Ay, dito. Ay! shoot. Pwede ba dito? Gawa akong bago.
hello. Wow, he's nice. Squishy head. I don't see his body.
Tapos dito yan. So, may pangalan mo. Pagdating mo. At
Water bottle.
Ito lang. Ano lang to eh. Sa title.
Where are you? I can hold
Dali
this.
naman. Tawagin ko sa ano. Sab naman.
Mommy, that panda i-hold niya.
Damitan mo na.
Okay. Hindi ko kaya.
Mamaya na
Mommy,
yan.
squishy yung
Clothes
head.
mo na.
L-O-L.
Tita?
I need to buy more.
Ah, meron ba? May another copy pa tayo. Ay!
Saan ba?
Sige.
Dito ba sa kabila?
Squishies.
Hindi, dyan na. Nalagay mo na
Let
dyan
me
eh.
wear my...
Isa lang ba?
Lahat. Ay, yung pangalawa sa... Ay, daan. Kabitan mo na kasi start ko na yung video mo.
Wear his skirt,
Tita.
but I can't wear it. Maybe I got remove his head kasi hindi kasha.
Ano na ako?
Gayin mo na lang kung saan mo na yung tinet.
Take off your hands. Come on. I can't wear, mommy. Help me. Yan yung skirt.
You can do it. Yes, you can do it.
Help me. I don't help. Squishy head. Smells. He's her.
Her.
She's
Her.
her.
Her hair.
I
Her
don't
hair.
like hair. She's
Her.
is
Her hair.
not smells like strawberry. Ah, there's more. There's shoes because I like
Ba't pinutol mo yung ulo?
kasi
Hindi naman kailangan.
I can't wear
Show mo na kasi i-stop ko na yung video.
Hindi.
I-stop ko na ito.
Wait.
Ayun na.
I opened the zipper na kasi so nice.
Ay, ilang copy yan?
Marunong ko na mag-open.
Bali, apat total.
Ngayon pala.
Kanina, na-open ko yung
Next.
Yung head.
Mommy, can you help me this bunda?
At i-hold mo. It spits ulit.
Come on.
23 po.
I don't see her. I found it.
You got Rockin' Rider. This one, oh.
I got that one.
Yes. It spits again. Again? Spit na naman?
Like, alright. So like,
Oh. Nahulog. Nahulog yung other one.
saan yan napunta? Maybe his shoe. Mami, asan yung napunta?
I don't know. You find it. Baka na-shoot sa sock, sa shoes mo. Hindi na? Itaob mo, itaob mo. Saan na? Okay na? Hanap mo na? You found it?
Pa.
Ano ba yun? Yung sapatos na pink. Lahat sila nagsuspit. Walang color change. Ayaw niya nung kunin yung may bubbles eh. Spray na lang yun sa
I can, the keys too.
ha? Hold me, hold this. Wala ni Ali. Hold this. Hold this. Hold this. Hold this. Para maayos lang. The shoes. Check ko yun. Eh, may copy na doon. Ay, may copy ko. Oo. Hindi, ma'am. Ay, para perman. Ay, tapos na pala ito na perman. Ano ba?
Is it a girl? Yes, I'm a girl. Dang.
With this. Are you done now? Taking a video? Or this? Done na.
Oh, this.
Put mo yung ano niya.
Batang.
Dito sa...
Anda na basag. So,
Is that kiss your cellphone?
anda na basag. Sabi na, sabi mo, nabasag ko yon, sabi ng yes, it's working, but I can see something. Remove ko yung glasses niya.
Bawal pala po
Mag-ion yung number kung saan tayo mag-follow up or sila na mag-inform sa doang na pick up.
Si ano pa rin ata, Mary.
Ha?
Yung si Mary pa rin ata.
Mary pa rin?
Ay, meron ako. Ay, no. Baka may contact number. May monthly na pala 200 pesos. Meron. Meron din yan dati sa ano. Sa contract ko sale. Ay, contract ko sale. Nakalagay din yun. Are you done?
Look, I have a bracelet.
Kasha pala sa'yo.
Uy! It's mine!
Her second LOL ball. Done na?
Uy! It's mine! Hindi. I forgot the water bottle.
Where's the water bottle?
Wala.
Ito tablet lang yan. Kahit medyo.
I will.
Ano yan?